Hello and welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Dr. Aria Brooke. I'm a urologist and men's vitality and intimacy coach, and for more than 12 years, I've helped men restore their health, performance, and confidence, not just physically, but emotionally and relationally as well. Today, I want to talk about something that's on a lot of men's minds, but not something we're often encouraged to talk about openly. I'm talking about penile health, what it really means for the penis to be strong, healthy, and functioning at its best, especially as you get older. And I want to get something very clear right from the start. When I use the word weak, I am not talking about your masculinity or your worth as a man. I'm talking about physical health, blood flow, muscle strength, nerve signaling, tissue elasticity, the overall vitality of the organ itself. As men age, just like the rest of the body, the penis can undergo changes. Blood flow can slowly decline, tissue can lose elasticity, and the muscles that are essential for maintaining a firm erection can weaken. This is common. It's natural, but it is not something you simply have to accept as unavoidable. I've had countless conversations with men in my office who are worried about losing firmness, noticing fewer morning erections, or feeling less confident than they once did. Some describe erections that don't last as long. Others notice reduced sensitivity. Many just say something feels different, and they don't know why. And I always tell them the same thing. You have far more control over this than you think. There is a powerful, simple action you can take every single day that plays a major role in penile strength and function, and most men were never taught about it. Before we go any further, I want to pause for just a moment. I'd love to know, where are you watching from today? Share your age and your location in the comments. It helps build community here and reminds men they're not alone in dealing with these changes. And if men's health, confidence, and honest conversations matter to you, make sure you like this video and subscribe, because this channel exists to talk about the real issues most men were never educated on. Now, most men understand the importance of exercising visible muscles, the arms, the chest, the legs, the core, but very few realize that some of the most important muscles for sexual health are hidden deep inside the body, where you can't see them in the mirror. These muscles are absolutely critical for erection quality, especially after the age of 50. I'm talking about the pelvic floor muscles, in particular one muscle called the pubococcygeus, often referred to as the PC muscle. This muscle group plays a central role in controlling blood flow into and out of the penis. It influences how firm an erection becomes, how long it lasts, ejaculation control, and even urinary continence. If these muscles weaken, erections weaken. It really is that simple. Think of the pelvic floor like a hydraulic control system. When these muscles contract properly, they compress the veins that normally allow blood to leave the penis. That traps blood inside the erectile tissue and helps maintain firmness. When the muscles are weak, blood leaks out too easily, leading to softer erections or difficulty maintaining them. The PC muscle also plays a key role in orgasm intensity and ejaculatory control. Strengthening it doesn't just improve erections, it can enhance the entire sexual experience. So how do you strengthen these muscles correctly? We're talking about pelvic floor contractions, often called Kegel exercises. Many people think these exercises are only for women. That's a misconception. They are extremely effective for men, and in many cases, they make a dramatic difference. The first step is identifying the correct muscles. The easiest way to do this is the next time you're urinating. Try briefly stopping the flow of urine midstream. The muscles you use to do that are your pelvic floor muscles. Now, this is important. Stopping urine flow is only meant to help you identify the muscles. You should not make a habit of doing this while urinating, because that can lead to incomplete bladder emptying and urinary issues over time. Once you've identified the muscles, you don't need to be in the bathroom to train them. You can do these exercises sitting at your desk, watching television, standing in line, or even driving. No one around you will have any idea you're doing them. Here's how it works. Contract your pelvic floor muscles and hold the contraction for about 3 to 5 seconds. Focus on a smooth, controlled squeeze. It should feel like a lifting sensation deep in the pelvis, almost as if the penis is being gently drawn inward and upward. Be careful not to tighten your abdomen, buttocks, or thighs. That's one of the most common mistakes. The effort should be isolated to the pelvic floor. Next, slowly and completely release the contraction. The relaxation phase is just as important as the squeeze itself. Allow the muscles to fully relax before moving on. Then rest for a few seconds before starting the next contraction. This allows blood to flow back into the muscles and prevents fatigue. Start with a goal of 10 to 15 repetitions, 3 to 4 times per day. Consistency is the key. You won't see results overnight, but within a few weeks, many men begin to notice notice improved firmness and better endurance. Most see clear changes within 4 to 6 weeks, and some notice improvements even sooner, especially if they've never trained these muscles before. As you progress, you can increase the duration of each hold to 8 or even 10 seconds. You can also add quick contractions, rapid squeezes and releases to build endurance. Think of these as short sprints compared to the longer holds. Both are important and work together to create a comprehensive strengthening program. And before we move on to the next step, I want to quickly mention something special I've created that ties directly into what we're talking about. It's called the All-in-One Men's Vitality and Intimacy Blueprint. This is a complete guide designed specifically for men over 50 who want to rebuild energy, confidence, circulation, testosterone balance, and intimacy naturally. Inside, I share the same methods I use in my own practice to help men restore vitality, improve blood flow, and reconnect with both their bodies and their relationship. You'll find the link in the description and the pinned comment. It's the perfect next step if you're ready to go beyond quick tips and truly understand how to support your health long-term. Now, the second major factor in penile strength is blood flow. A strong penis is a well-nourished penis, and the most important nutrient it needs is oxygen-rich blood. As men age, plaque can build up in the arteries and blood vessels can lose their elasticity. This process, known as atherosclerosis, directly impacts erectile function. In fact, erectile difficulties are often one of the earliest warning signs of cardiovascular disease. The penis is extremely sensitive to changes in blood flow. If circulation is compromised, erections will suffer. An erection requires a significant increase in blood flow. When aroused, the arteries in the penis dilate and fill with blood, while the veins constrict to trap that blood inside. If blood vessels are stiff or narrowed, this process becomes less efficient, leading to weaker erections or difficulty achieving one. So how do you improve this? Regular cardiovascular movement, brisk walking, cycling, swimming, or light jogging. Aim for about 30 minutes of moderate intensity cardio most days of the week. This isn't just about heart health, it's about vascular health. When you improve circulation throughout your body, you improve blood flow to the penis as well. Moderate intensity means you should be able to hold a conversation, but feel slightly breathless. If you're just starting out, begin with 10 to 15 minutes and gradually build up. Consistency matters far more than intensity. Cardiovascular exercise also reduces inflammation, improves cholesterol levels, lowers blood pressure, enhances insulin sensitivity, and improves mood. All of these factors play a role in erectile health. The third factor is nutrition. What you eat directly affects blood vessels, nerves, and hormones. Diets high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fat damage vascular health and increase the risk of erectile dysfunction. Men with diabetes, for example, are significantly more likely to experience erectile issues due to blood vessel and nerve damage. Instead, focus on whole foods that support nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide allows blood vessels to relax and dilate, which is essential for a firm erection. Foods like leafy greens, garlic, beets, berries, olive oil, nuts, and fatty fish all support vascular health. Antioxidants reduce oxidative stress, which damages blood vessels and accelerates aging. Healthy fats help keep blood vessels flexible and reduce inflammation. Hydration also matters more than many men realize. Dehydration reduces blood volume and makes it harder for your body to circulate blood effectively. Aim to drink water consistently throughout the day. The fourth factor is stress. Chronic stress is one of the most overlooked causes of erectile problems. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol. High cortisol constricts blood vessels and suppresses testosterone. It puts your body into a constant fight-or-flight state, which is incompatible with sexual function. Your body doesn't distinguish between physical danger and psychological stress. Work pressure, financial worry, relationship tension, they all trigger the same response. Managing stress is not optional if sexual health matters to you. Meditation, breathing exercises, time outdoors, physical movement, hobbies, and social connection all help regulate the nervous system. Even 5 to 10 minutes a day can make a measurable difference. The fifth factor is sleep. Sleep is when your body repairs itself. Hormones are regulated during deep sleep, and testosterone production peaks during the night. Poor sleep raises cortisol, lowers testosterone, worsens circulation, and increases inflammation. Men who consistently sleep fewer than 5 hours per night have significantly lower testosterone levels than those who get 7 to 9 hours. Even a single week of poor sleep can reduce testosterone by a noticeable margin. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Make your bedroom dark, cool, and quiet. Reduce screen exposure before bed. Sleep is not a luxury, it is a biological requirement. So this isn't about a pill or a quick fix. It's about a holistic, daily approach to health. Pelvic floor training is the single most direct action you can take for penile strength, but it works best alongside good circulation, proper nutrition, stress management, and sleep. A healthy penis is a reflection of a healthy body. By taking these steps, you're not just improving one aspect of your life, you're investing in your overall vitality. Before we wrap up, I want to share something many viewers ask me about: which natural supplements actually deliver results for men's health. After reviewing the research and testing what truly works, I've narrowed it down to 4 essentials. One supports stronger erections, one supports stamina and performance, one helps maintain testosterone balance, and one supports prostate comfort. These are all natural, science-backed formulas designed to work together for maximum benefit. I've linked them below in the description and pinned comment so you can explore them if that's right for you. And remember, this channel is a safe space where men support each other. Share your age and where you're from in the comments. As men age, this isn't the end, it's a new beginning. I'm Dr. Aria Brooks, and I'll see you in the next video.